If you're using Gmail for personal or business, your inbox can quickly get overwhelming. In today's video, we're going to be going over how you can organize your Gmail inbox for business so you never miss any of those important emails in the craziness that is our inbox. And welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. My name is Jonathan Dunkerley, and I'm here to help you find the tools to make an income online. I'm going to show you how I'm using Gmail to optimize my business email, but everything that I'm going over is the same if you're doing this for your personal Gmail account or a business Gmail account. So as you can see, all of my emails are just in the regular inbox. So I have this email, it was sent to one of my email addresses, which is youtube@jonathandunkerley.com, and that is an alias to my main email address, which is jonathan@jonathandunkerley.com. So that means that anybody that sends to any of those alias email addresses, they end up in this one email inbox. But sometimes maybe I want to know if it was sent to youtube@jonathandunkerley.com or contacts@jonathandunkerley.com or just jonathan@jonathandunkerley.com. So I want to know where it went. So to do that, you're going to create filters. So we have this search bar at the top. So we're going to click that, and we're going to click these little thing that says show searchable options. So we're going to click that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to and then I am going to type in the email address that I want to have filtered out of the main inbox. So I could say youtube@jonathandunkerley.com. So that's the email address, youtube@jonathandunkerley.com, and then I can create a filter from that. So I don't need to do any of the other stuff because I'm just searching for this email address. So I'm going to create filter. And now I have a couple things. So if I want it to completely be removed from the inbox, my regular inbox, I can click this and it would be removed from the inbox and only be in the filtered out inbox that I create. Then another one, if I want it to stay in the main inbox, I leave that unchecked. But then what I do is I create a label. So I'm going to create a label and I'm going to create a new label. And I'm going to say YouTube is the name of the label. So I'm going to create that label. And then I'm going to say, I'm going to mark this so it takes the emails that have already been sent. And then I'm going to say, never send it to spam, because if somebody's sending that to those emails, I want to make sure that it comes through. And if it becomes a problem with spam, then I'll deal with that later. So when I'm ready, I'm just going to go ahead and click create filter. So now it's created this filter right here. I can click it right here. So as I get emails to youtube@jonathandunkerley.com, they are going to be sent directly into this inbox right here, and they'll be filtered into a different category. Now you'll never miss another important email again. Would you like to see more videos about how to grow your online business with email? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, check out this video next. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you got value out of this video, be sure that you like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.